of people when I started my career says ये actor है, star नहीं बन सकता. I went on a front foot, go out and hit it out. I just felt naked. And obviously, people were shocked. When you do a very mainstream commercial film, if that film doesn't do well, it harms you a lot. I've been fortunate that they were part of my life. इन लोग यही करते हैं और ऐसे ही करते हैं. और तुम करके बताओ ना. This is the best phase. They're the best people. This is my best interview.
Our guest today on the Bombay Times Lounge is an actor whose career spans 40 years and he's done over 100 films and still nothing can stop him. He's seen the heights of stardom. He's crossed over to the West, excelled on ODT. He is a fighter in the true sense. The one and only Chakka superstar Anil Kapoor.
So Anil Kapoor is my very first crush from my childhood.
I just love his charisma.
मैं जब भी उनको स्क्रीन पे देखता हूँ, ऑफ स्क्रीन देखता हूँ, मतलब ऑलवेज पॉजिटिव एटीट्यूड लेके चलते हैं. मतलब जब भी देखो उनको ऐसी स्माइल देते हैं और यू कैन सी फ्रॉम योर आईज.
ए जी, ओ जी, 1 2 का 4, 4 2 का 1.
Please bless me with that ever youth of yours.
I really admire you and I love you so much.
What an entry that was.
Thank you.
It is fabulous to have you here with us, Anil.
It's wonderful. I just like the whole vibe and the energy. For the first time, आप लोगों की energy मेरे से ज़्यादा है.
I don't think anyone can match your energy, Anil. And you're looking super fit and super cool as always.
Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you.
Fourth decade of your career as the leading man, and what a fabulous career it's been. I want to ask you, what makes Anil Kapoor so unstoppable?
I think it's just I've been fortunate and I've been blessed. I just came across the right filmmakers,
Right.
the right leading ladies, and the right team. The first decade, I think most of the time they were choosing me. Then after that, I was, making the right choices. Sometimes, the choices went right. Sometimes the choices went not so right. I would never say wrong because I enjoyed every film which I did. And almost now, 42 years now, the first time that really felt that, people are appreciating my work and, recognizing me, filmmakers wanting to cast me in the films.
Yeah.
It was 1982 or 83. Yes. And now it's what, 2025, right? Not bad.
2 years, yes, it's a long time. So your first Hindi film was in 1983, Wo Saath Din, right? And even back then, Anil, you were very self-aware that you wouldn't probably fit into the conventional Hindi film mold. And you made a niche for yourself. At the same time, you eventually went on to become a huge actor, a huge commercial actor. What was the turning point? When did the confidence kick in that I can do this also?
Actually, I really started working. I went in the front of the camera in 1977.
Right.
And then I started doing bit roles. And then I did 2 regional films.
Right.
So definitely I could feel that there is some kind of a positive feedback from the filmmakers and the directors and my co-actors. And then, of course, the screenings of Wo Saath Din started
Right.
in all the theaters, mini theaters, which you have, the preview theaters.
TV theater, yeah.
And the feedback was absolutely phenomenal.
Right.
And I was very fortunate to work with Naseeruddin Shah, who was kind enough and generous enough to do the film. Because I had worked with him when I was a production assistant in Hum Panch. And of course, Padmini Kolhapuri, who was my first leading lady.
Yeah.
So these were the factors. And of course, the great Bapu Saab, the script written by Janendra Jain, and of course, originally written by K. Bhagaraj. All these things, I think, made my character of Prem Pratap Patialewala go into the hearts of the people, and people started appreciating my work. And then the film released and did pretty well.
Right.
And I just felt the universe is helping me.
Right.
And then, of course, things
Right.
happened. And as I said, a lot of filmmakers, they asked me to do their films. And
You would make choices.
I was not making those choices
Not
at that
there,
time. Yeah. For example, Mashal
Right.
and Meri Jung, to a certain extent, Mohabbat, Sahib, Karma. These are the films, Andar Bahar, Yudh,
Right.
where the Jhakas came.
Never left you.
Yeah, this never left me. Yeah. And so these are the films which I kept on doing, fairly successful and created and few of them are blockbusters. Internationally also, like Mr. India, but it was hugely successful in China
Wow.
at that time. People talk about China now,
Right.
but I remember that it really, it was really big in China. We made a special negative for China.
China.
So these are the films which really made me a household name, yeah.
And people knew you by your character names,
Yes.
right? And that shows exactly,
Yeah.
I remember back in the day also, magazines would write about the way you looked, the fact that you weren't conventional. Your mooch was a talking point in the industry, right? And you gave it all a very positive spin. And I think that's very fascinating about you because you have this sense of humor where you can laugh at yourself. Would you say that's really taken you a long way?
Whatever minus points they felt or anybody felt, I will try and make that into my plus point.
Right.
And go on the front foot talking about it. So that's what I've always been. If anybody says you got small eyes, I say, भैया यही आंखें हैं, मैं क्या करूं अभी ऊपर वाले ने ये आंखें दी हैं, and you have a mustache. I said अभी है बचपन से है जब से मूछें उगनी मतलब बाल उगने शुरू है, and they used to call me all kinds of things about my hair also. That, I don't need to wear a shirt because I had so much of hair. I went on a front foot. Tuku kya hilne ka, steady and all. I said, go out and hit it out. A lot of people, when I started my career, says, ye actor hai, star nahi ban sakta.
Yes, of course, they said that, yes.
There were times when they would compare me with the great Sanjeev Kumar. And I said, comparing me to Sanjeev Kumar, what else can I ask for? He was one of the most versatile actors.
Absolutely.
And then the time came, actually a star hai, and obviously
Star actor.
Yeah, star actor. So all these tags kept on changing from time to time. And looks nahi hai. And now they say looks, they only talk about my looks.
The mooch is a gift you gave to the industry, right?
Not the mooch. I think it's the stubble.
The stubble,
The mooch and the stubble.
And now everyone has that stubble.
I remember, मैं अपनी दाढ़ी में जब दाढ़ी हमेशा रहती थी मेरी हर रोल के लिए मेरा दाढ़ी हुआ था. I used to have a beard for every character. It might be Mary Jung, or it might be Mr. India, or it might be Mashal, or a little bit of stubble. Like I was the odd man out, and leading men never had these kind of, except for Clint Eastwood.
Yes, absolutely.
And so I was very, I'm being honest, inspired by his, the stubble. Obviously, he has a great cinematic taste, which I don't. As good as him, he's my inspiration, role model. He's 93 years old and still very active and making films, and I admire him. And I should love all his films like Good, Bad and Ugly and For a Few Dollars More.
Wow.
And of course, then Unforgiven, where he won the Oscar. I actually joke also. I said, at least I've contributed something to this industry here. The stubble.
The stubble.
Stubble. And then every leading man now has got a beard and a stubble. And it's very rare to find a leading man clean shaven.
Absolutely. Yeah.
And people are loving it. People are liking it. So why not?
Yeah. I think first time you went clean shaven was for Lamhe.
Yeah, completely.
How did you even look at yourself?
I just felt naked, to be honest with you. I just felt naked when I did Lamhe. And obviously, people were shocked. There was not a very positive reaction. The people who had loved the films like Ram Lakhan Tezab and Mr. India and all those films, they felt, no, we want him to look a particular way. And obviously, the even the content was slightly...
Way ahead of its time, absolutely.
They felt it was... I didn't feel it.
Yeah.
I just liked it. I just loved it. They felt it was ahead of times. That's the reason at that time the film didn't do well. But of course, I knew that it was... Instinctively, I know sometimes...
This is a classic in the making.
No, not a class. Never go... Don't take myself so seriously. Don't take any film that seriously. That's going to be classic and all. But I knew that it's going to take, stand the test of time.
Right.
It's got long legs. When you do a very mainstream commercial film...
Yeah.
And it's not a good film, if that film doesn't do well, it harms you a lot.
Absolutely, yeah.
But if you do a good film...
Yeah.
A good film, and you've done it with a good filmmaker, with good co-stars, and you've done your best, even if the film doesn't do well, it doesn't harm you. It only helps you build your credibility as a professional actor.
Absolutely.
Or as a star, whatever you may call.
Yeah.
I have tried my best to attach myself to these kind of filmmakers, actors.
Also, I think, Anil, with you, at the right time, you realize that, by just running around trees, romancing the leading lady, singing songs, you knew that you had to go beyond that. And I think that gives the longevity. You didn't keep doing that every decade,
No, I think, obviously, I told you that I'm, the filmmakers chose me.
Right.
But back of the mind, when I was trying to get work and I'm trying to start my, journey as an actor, I consciously didn't want to do that. Consciously.
The choice you clearly made.
Choices I made because, there was the great Kapoors.
Of course, yeah.
They are, their contribution to the film business and from Prithviraj Kapoor. They were so good in the way they did their songs and the playback singing as a playback, as you said. I said, I have a Kapoor surname also. So how do I make myself completely different from
A different Kapoor.
different. Yeah.
Yeah.
So I did film with M.S. Satyu, worked with Mani Ratnam, I worked
Right.
with Bapu Saab, I did a Telugu film. And the choices I made, tried my best to work with Shyam Benegal. I kept on meeting him. I met Amarna Sen, I met Mrinal Sen. You name all these filmmakers because I saw their films and I was like Nishant and Manthan. I could never meet Satyajit Ray, but I've seen quite a few of his, mostly all his films. And then, but their films really inspired me. And I used to go to Pune Institute to watch all their films and try to dig out films from the video parlors and watch those films, international as well as national films. So I made a conscious decision. That's the reason if you see first of my films, they're really, really strong characters like Wo Saat Din, Mashal. These films were not banking on the songs or the music or running around trees as you shared. They were more the character. It was then later on when I did Mr. India and Ram Lakhan
Right.
and Teza, where there was dancing.
These Marties or
Yeah, the dancing and then singing and certain romantic films like 1942, A Love Story. That was a very conscious decision to do that kind of film, which is only about music. I did the film only because of the music.
Yeah.
I didn't want to do the film, I said, but I loved the music so much that I did that film. And I think I was right. I've been lucky, I've been fortunate, I've been blessed,
Yeah.
and that things have really gone well for me.
you also one of the most adaptable actors we have. Anil. At 31, you did Ishwar, we did a 71-year-old. We did Lame, where one would say Sridevi had a stronger part than you. So I think at some point the audience realized that this man can do just about anything.
You know, whenever I would get an opportunity, the film would succeed, I would, on that basis, I would do something which would help the other filmmaker to make the kind of film which I believe in. I will do certain films which are very, very mainstream,
Right.
very, very commercial, and what people want to see in the end. But I always try something which is out of the box,
Right.
something which will challenge me, something which will educate me. So if you see my choices every decade have been, something is there. Some films have really broken out and some films have not done well. So
4 decades of cinema, you've seen so much change. Is there anything that you miss about the past era?
to be honest with you, I feel this is the best phase. These are the best people. This is the best environment. So that's the way, with that spirit, I continue my life. This is my best life. These are the best people I'm working with. I've never got an opportunity. This is my best interview.
Right.
This is the best audience.
Yeah.
The moment is now. I never have that quality of judging.
Or any regret or anything?
No, I don't want to judge.
Yeah.
It's changing every time. So I have to change and I have to constantly try to, listen. I'm a people's person. I'm a director's actor. I would like to, when I do an interview also, if I want to do or when I want to speak to someone, I want to do my best.
You and Jackie, okay, now we talk about bromance nowadays, right? You and Jackie were like the original inventors of bromance. You all made bromance cool back then. Tell us how your relationship has evolved with Jackie. You did some 12 films, right?
Jackie, Madhuri, Sridevi,
Yeah.
Subhash ji,
Yes.
Yash ji. I've done a lot of work with all of them, yeah.
Right.
I've been fortunate that they were part of my life. Seniors, people whom I admire, I loved.
Yeah.
I work with them a lot, yeah. And I would love to keep on working with them.
You're also working, with a lot of young actors. And they always say that you cannot match up to Anil Kapoor's energy.
अरे नहीं यार
But Anil, what have you learned from these young kids?
मेरे को चढ़ा रहे हैं ऐसे ही तने के झाड़ पे मैं चढ़ने नहीं वाला
If your entry was anything to go by, Anil, I don't think so.
yeah no.
But what is the one thing you learned from them?
It's not the energy, it's just the love for my work.
Yeah.
It's not energy, it's sometimes you love something what you're doing, and I can be very times when I can be very, very still.
Really?
Of course, why not? It depends in the situation. And there are times when you can't fake it for so many years. You don't do it for effect. You do it because you're enjoying it. You're loving what you're doing.
Would you really want the remake of Ram Lakhan to happen? Because everyone talks about it.
See, I've been very fortunate. There are a lot of films I can continue my career only doing
Remaking your...
sequels and remakes. I think God somewhere wants me to create more and more. Somewhere the universe, the filmmakers want me to create much more characters which will stand the test of time.
Right.
And I've done it, in every decade I've done it, And I've done Animal. I played Balbir Singh and Night Manager. I played Shelly.
Yeah.
And wherever I go, they speak about that show. So मुझे पीछे मुड़ के देखने की जरूरत नहीं है. ज्यादातर आदमी पीछे इसलिए मुड़ता है क्योंकि they want to play it safe. It makes great business sense.
Right.
I'm for it. Why not? And but everybody has different career paths. So
Absolutely.
not that I'm planning it,
Yeah.
but it is automatically happening.
Right.
That I'm always getting films and opportunities internationally and nationally where I can sink my teeth into and enjoy every moment of it.
I know you started your career with South films, and today there's a spotlight on South cinema. Every Hindi film actor from any language wants to do a film in South. How do you view this change where they're getting so much of, attention?
I've said it earlier also, these things keep on happening. There are certain filmmakers who come who are so good, and it's all about those filmmakers and storytellers. And then obviously they do the right casting, the right actors
Yeah.
become part of their journey, and those films become huge. Our country is such, you never know from where
A
great
story emerges, yeah?
emerges. Like when Ramar Jam released, it was a phenomenal film. All the films which were done by Shivaji Ganeshan, all the films which Kamala Hassan done.
Right.
2 of them I have done. Those days the digital media was not there. Otherwise that film, I would not be able to do those films because they would be so popular. So I was fortunate that I did Virasat, which was the adaptation of Dev Ramadan. Then I did Ishwar, Swati Mutyam, which was directed by K. Vishwanathan. I had the opportunity to work with him. So that was a time when everybody was trying to do, finding some scripts, some adaptations which could have been done.
Right.
So these are the things. Now you can't do it because, it's there all out. Hopefully it will continue that.
Yeah.
Basically, Indian film industry, the Indian actors, the Indian filmmakers keep on churning out and making films which will entertain the 1.4 billion people
Right.
and the Indian diaspora.
I do want to ask you, Anil, 4 decades in the industry, and, I remember you telling me that you read each and every story, article, and interview of yours, which is lovely. So how do you feel when you see a nice piece of story of you in the papers? Like, we're just going through the papers. I remember this shoot of yours, which is how fit he is. That's
No,
not
I-
titling.
I
And-
think this is my favorite.
Of course, this is Slumdog was a big risk,
This is my favorite.
and this is an older edition.
Immoral edition, yeah.
So how does it feel when you see your stories in the paper still? Do you still feel that kind of excitement?
Even 43 years back, when I was not a celebrity or I was not sellable, I was very clear that I should be only be written about my work.
Right.
So there were times when I saw somewhere, because I was friendly to leading ladies, because I was working with them, they were much senior to them. That should not be my reason for me to be in news.
Right.
At that moment, it might have felt that it's a disadvantage. And it would get a little boring, to a certain extent. And I would make fun of my wife because she just refuses to pose with me. I said, मैं भी चाहता हूँ कि Anil with his girlfriend on the pool side. Well, ऐसा कुछ हुआ ही नहीं.
I know you always said that I wanted to be an actor, मैं गलती से star बन गया. And you've been a superstar for decades. I want to ask you, do you think in today's scenario, the entire concept of superstardom, the mystery, the enigma around a star, that is different today?
What is stardom?
Yeah.
Stardom is that the characters become very popular, the film becomes a huge success, and people want to see you again and again.
And again.
You think it's not happening now?
Yeah.
It is happening now. Matter of fact, today, one film is enough. First, we had to do 4 films or 5 or 6 super hits in a row, then people would accept us
Right.
as superstars or stars or whatever you want to call it.
Yeah.
Now only one film can do it because that's the kind of business it is doing. That's the kind of exposure, that's kind of love you're getting with one film. But it is happening. So ऐसा कुछ नहीं है कि नहीं होगा और ऐसा नहीं होगा और आगे कोई बड़ा नहीं बनने वाला. आगे भी कोई इनसे भी बड़ा बनेगा, हमसे भी बड़ा बनेगा. वो जो होता है ना, ये इंटरव्यू में कंटेंट के लिए बात करते हैं कि वो ज़माना ऐसा था, ऐसे स्टार थे, इतने बड़े स्टार नहीं थे. ऐसा कुछ नहीं है कि वो लास्ट था, ये लास्ट और मोहिकन से.
No last.
वो कुछ नहीं, उसे all ऐसा कुछ नहीं.
Do you think the new generation, the new breed of actors have a lot of opportunities, a lot of platforms, but at the same time, there's a lot of focus on other things they're doing, like, their social media game, the way they look, their fashion game. Sometimes you think it's distracting for them or it's harder for them? Because like in your time, like you were telling me the other day that you could just get ready and leave the house,
You have to change with time, no?
Right.
You want to look your best, look your best. You have to work hard, you work hard. It is only going to help you when you go in front of the camera. Actors in the past, they were so, because it was so easy,
Right.
so that easiness would they would see it on screen and they would fade away faster
Right.
because they were taking it easy.
Yeah.
They felt that they can get away. So their stardom would last for 5 years, 7 years, 10 years, and they would fade away.
Yeah.
You know, the audience, I feel very strongly, actors, when they're doing age-appropriate roles, they might be having as many wrinkles or they're looking,
Yeah.
you know, as I said, it's you have to look, not try to look younger, but look your best, what you are.
Okay. Yes. Yes.
You know, that's what the audience likes also.
Right.
कि यार ये जबरदस्ती अपने आप को young करने की कोशिश नहीं कर रहा है. He's looking his best.
Looking his age and
He's looking his best. He's fresh. He's energetic.
Yeah.
And that's what people want. If the audience goes and yaar ye अच्छा नहीं लग रहा है, he's looking very lazy, he's lethargic, he's not moving well, he's not emoting, he's not giving, the people can sense it, they're sharp enough.
Right.
2-3 बार आप बेवकूफ बना सकते हैं. But ultimately, person who's paying to watch him, one day or the other, it'll catch up.
It'll catch up. Absolutely.
100% it'll catch up. You have to give your best. And then if in that role, if you can't give your best,
Right.
or you feel there's someone else better,
Yeah.
I feel it's better to suggest that name. I said, यार ये मैं नहीं कर सकता, आप उसको लो. और हम लोग ने किया है, मैंने ऐसा किया है. And you come to know, yes, yeah, thank God I didn't do it because that person has done it better. He suits it much
Right.
better. You know?
Yeah.
And there are times when I feel someone has done it and I feel I should have done it, I could have done better. So ऐसा भी होता.
And you always said that your family is your biggest support, is your pillar of strength. Now that your 3 kids are on their path, how do you feel as a father? Sonam, Riya, Harsh are all doing really well for themselves.
Yeah, obviously you know, I'm being very honest, everybody wants more. But what I've done is I have let them be. Let them be in not such a way that when they do something, me and Sunita are there to say, no, this is, you can't, you know, just leave them. अरे नहीं यार, not it's your responsibility. आपको जो करना है करो. वो भी गलत बात है. और ये भी गलत बात है कि तू ऐसे ही कर. You know, I say you do like this only. Sonam, you do these kind of films only. Oh, Harsh, नहीं यार तू भी थोड़ा सा बाहर निकल यार, थोड़ा सा फोटो ले यार, you know, do run कर. When the time comes, he'll do it. But at the moment, he wants to work with filmmakers, which he believes in. Riya makes her a kind of films. She's the only producer who has made mainstream commercial films with girls
Women.
and treated them as leading men.
Right. Absolutely.
It might be Khoobsurat, it might be Veere Di Wedding, it is Crew. They are treated like leading men. And the films have opened to double digits and done so well. I feel even fashion it comes in the bandwidth of entertainment.
Absolutely.
That's what people want to see. Get the business. It's an art to create those kind of looks. Like earlier, there were times when, जैसे मेरे को बोलते थे, इसकी मूंछ है, इसकी आंखें छोटी है, तो people would try to say, इसका तो सिर्फ fashion है. मैंने बोला, go on a front foot. Yes, I am. So many times I gave examples like Salman or Shah Rukh. They would say, नहीं यार, इन लोग यही करते हैं और ऐसे ही करते हैं. और तुम करके बताओ ना, हम ऐसे ही हैं. You become apologetic, people will try to
Correct.
even pin you down more.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah.
Don't be apologetic. Be on the front foot. So I'm very proud of them. Harsh, you know, the kind of films he has done. You know, there is not one single frame which you'll find, यार ये मैंने क्यों किया?
Right.
His is कि I should be able to put the poster of that film in my room. Riya makes her a kind of films. 2 original films and 2 sequels she's working on.
Wow.
When the time is right, when it's ready, then she'll come out of it. But she's at the moment working on it. And I'm not going to push her. ऐसे बहुत पैसा कमाना पड़ेगा, कमा सकते हैं. करो, जल्दी करो, ऐसा नहीं. Whenever you feel it is the right time is there,
Take your time, yeah.
take your time. I put pressure.
Okay.
Sonam is doing her kind of work. And obviously, you know, she's as a mother, as a
Beautiful.
wife, as a daughter-in-law, as a, you know, as a friend, she is all heart. You know, people I meet from the highest offices.
Yeah.
The first thing ask me, you know, about Sonam. Are you your Sonam's father or what? I mean, I tell Sonam, she doesn't believe it.
It's quite a proud moment.
Yeah. And sometimes people ask me, do you have a son? ऐसा भी होता है. Because he's so understated.
He's on the same.
They feel they have only 2 daughters. They don't know I have a son.
How is Anil as a granddad?
The way I was like a son. The way I was as like a father. The emotions and the energy keeps on changing.
Right.
You want to think only positive things about them, you know. It's something which is, I can't express.
Of course, yeah.
It's so beautiful.
Yes. Now, some very quick questions, Anil. It's a segment called BT Reveal. Some very, very quick questions I'll ask you. Your kids call you AK. What does Vayu, your grandson, call you?
Nana.
Tana. Which Hollywood actress would you like to romance on screen?
I used to like Demi Moore a lot.
Tell me a pair from the new generation that reminds you of the iconic Madhuri Anil pairing.
Shah Rukh and Kajol.
Yeah.
They came after us. Salman and Aishwarya Rai.
Right. Yeah.
You know, they were absolutely magical on screen. Ranveer and Deepika.
Deepika,
I'm hoping that Ranveer and Ali also do something special.
which is your most memorable film with Devi?
I think Mystery India. I think without
Absolutely. Any actor from the new generation that reminds you of a younger Anil?
all of them,
All of them.
they're all looking after themselves and fit
Absolutely.
and want to give their best. Some actors pretend also.
Right.
Actually, अंदर से रात को बहुत काम करते हैं और रात को बैठ के पूरे 3 दिन बैठ के पूरा बायोटा करके आए. But then on the set they will give an atmosphere very spontaneous and
Got it.
I'm just character. I'm just great looking without really, but you can't achieve and be consistently successful
Right.
if you really don't give.
It was superb talking with you, Anil. But the show is not over yet.
I wanted to get it over.
Oh, well, that's lovely then. Because we do have a segment coming up where the fans here are going to ask you questions.
Yeah, sure.
You pick up a chit from the bowl and the fans are going to ask you a question.
Swati,
Today it's my dream come true to meet you and ask you a question. How did catchphrase Jackass become such a defining part of your persona?
I don't know. I want to ask the audience why. What is the reason? It became so retro, and people. I think the way it was rendered. पहले 5 साल था वो the picture release हुई, उसके बाद गायब हो गया, वापस आ गया. It stuck with me, and I'm happy. Trupti.
I'm a very big fan of your dance. I've taught a lot of people your steps.
Whatever movements you see, which have really stood the test of time, are movements which came very natural to me. So the choreographer would say कि तू ऐसा कर, मैं ऐसा कर नहीं सकता. आप किसी और को ले लो. But I'll try to do my best and get a certain kind of emotion, certain kind of fun. I'll believe in what I'm doing. And anybody, any common man can do the steps very easily. Tom,
My question is that there's a lot of talk around a potential Mr. India remake or sequel.
you see, the thing is, there are a lot of talks of a lot of my films. I'm sure they'll be fantastic. All the, sequels which are being planned, people are talking about it the last 30, 35 years. I just wish and I hope and pray that they become better than the original. Gauri,
My question to you will be, what's your favorite character in your movie?
my favorite character would be Prem Pratap Patialewale from Wo Saat Din, because that's the character which really seeped into the hearts of the people. And because of that character, I could do more characters again and again every decade. Yeah.
Sir, I would like to dance with you.
डांस तो मैंने किया ना, और कितना डांस
मेरे साथ नहीं किया ना.
उसके लिए पैसे लगेंगे.
It was superb talking with you, Anil. What a fabulous chat we had.
Thank you.
We loved your enthusiasm and your spirit. You took on every question with so much of energy. Thank you so much. But we won't let you go until you sign this mug for us. It's about Mitara's mark.
Thank you all of you all. Thank you so much.